Have you ever noticed a small propeller sticking out of an airplane wing or fuselage in emergency photos? That's not part of the engine. It's something called a Ram Air Turbine, or RAT for short. It's rarely seen, but when it is, it can save lives. A Ram Air Turbine is a small wind-powered device that generates emergency power. Ram refers to the force of air rushing into it as the plane moves forward. It's not active during normal flight. It only deploys in very rare emergencies. Imagine this. A plane loses all engine power, maybe due to bird strikes, fuel exhaustion, or engine failure. Without engine generators or the auxiliary power unit, APU, vital systems like hydraulics and electronics can fail. That's where the RAT comes in. Once deployed, it starts spinning from the rushing air and supplies just enough power to control the aircraft and its essential systems. The RAT is usually stored inside the fuselage or wing fairing. It automatically deploys when the system detects a total or near total power loss. On some aircraft, pilots can deploy it manually if needed. Once deployed, the RAT begins spinning instantly, powered only by the speed of the aircraft. This depends on the aircraft model. On smaller aircraft, the RAT might generate just enough electricity to keep the flight instruments alive. On larger jets, it might also power hydraulic pumps to control the flight controls. It won't run the coffee machine, but it might help save the plane. One of the most famous uses of a Ram Air Turbine happened in 2001. Air Transat Flight 236 and Airbus A330 ran out of fuel over the Atlantic due to a fuel leak. Both engines failed. The crew glided the plane for nearly 20 minutes. The RAT kept power flowing to flight instruments and flight controls. Thanks to the RAT and the pilot's skill, the aircraft landed safely in the Azores with no loss of life. The Ram Air Turbine is like a backup generator for the sky. It's small, rarely seen, and it's only used in emergencies. But when it's needed, it can be the difference between disaster and a safe landing. The sky has never been the limit, just the beginning. Subscribe for more short, beginner-friendly videos about aviation.